Active is a USA-based company that makes amazing cleaners. So I was thrilled when they sent me their washer cleaners for review, as these truly do clean, deodorize, and protect your washer from any of that nasty buildup that can happen around the rim and anywhere throughout your washer. And they're not just for prevention, they will also do a fantastic job in helping you clean if you have a dirty washer already. Now, what's great about this pack is you get a year's worth of washer cleaners, and they're meant to be used every 2 weeks, and they're really easy to use. And if you do use these on a regular basis, your washer is going to stay nice and clean, meaning no odors in your space and no odors on your laundry. Let me show you how these work. Now, all the tabs are individually wrapped, and they have a really nice light scent. Now, I've been using a different brand, and its smell is really strong, so I love the light smell on these. And all you do with this is toss it in your emptied washer drum, close it up, and then you either want to run it on hot or on tub clean if you have that as an option. Now, when you first put it in, you will hear it clanging around, but it does break down really quickly. So I just finished wiping it down after it ran the load, and the washer not only looks great, but has no smell at all, which is amazing. Active washing machine cleaner truly cleans, deodorizes completely, refreshes, and protects. I am so thrilled with how well it cleaned my washer. It looks like new yet again. And even if my washer was older and dirtier, I know this would do a fantastic job of fighting that grime as well. So whatever your washing machine cleaning needs, I definitely recommend Active Washing Machine Cleaner.